7 days ago, I started a Fiverr account with one goal: to get my first paying client. So everyone online was saying that, oh, Fiverr is one of the easiest ways to make money from home. Some people claim they are making hundreds and even thousands of dollars every month. Myself, I said it on my channel, so I decided to test it myself this time. Then, after spending over 3 hours creating my Fiverr profile, building my gigs, and optimizing everything, I was ready to see if I could get my first order. But what happened surprised me. So after 7 days, I checked my Fiverr dashboard and the results were not what I expected. So in this video, I will show you how I built my Fiverr profile from scratch. Did I even get clients? Did I make money? Or did I end up with absolutely nothing? Criss Mettle! Before we continue, welcome back to Criss Mettle Studios. On this channel, I share my experiences with online business, freelancing, content creation, and entrepreneurship. If that's something you are interested in, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications and make sure that you don't miss any future videos. Now, if you've never heard of Fiverr before, Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers offer services to clients from around the world, whether it's graphic design, writing, video editing, or marketing. Fiverr connects freelancers with people who need those services. Since I've been editing videos for over 10 years now, I decided to focus on what I know best. My goal wasn't just to offer video editing services. I also wanted to help content creators improve their videos through my experience in videography and post-production. So I created my Fiverr profile and listed services such as YouTube video editing, short form content editing, and general video editing for creators and businesses. I uploaded my portfolio, wrote my gig description, set my prices, and published everything. At that point, my Fiverr profile was officially live. Let me show you. As you can see, this is my Fiverr profile, and you could see that I spent a lot of time and effort creating this particular profile. And you can see that I wrote even 10 years in filmmaking, learning video editing, monetize your skills, reviews. I gave a description, all these. I planned in my portfolio. Even the portfolio alone would take a lot of time. My introductory video, you can see
Hey there,
my introductory video.
I'm Criss Mettle. I've been a videographer since 2015. And honestly, it's more than a career because it's my passion. Over 10 years now, I've worked on over 400 projects, from music videos to movies to cinematic short films to commercials to events like weddings.
You see the introductory video. It's very nice, right? And you see, you look at the profile. You see, and this is the work experience. I brought everything here since 2015. Oh, see, over 1,000 projects. I added my skills with editing, wedding photo edits, product photo edit, film editing, all these. Spending time. I added my degree certificates and some of the certificates I got with in terms of the projects I've already done, my gigs. Even the gigs alone is not easy, Charlie. Maybe you may think that my portfolio is not nice. Let me show you some of the portfolio for you to see. If it is not nice, you can say it. You understand? You see the portfolio. I started writing all this, music video direction and post-production for Apicom. I wrote everything here about the project and the video. Look at the video sample. Yes, you can watch the full video. See. So you can see these are all my portfolio. Even the gig alone, when you are trying to create a gig, so you see, so these are the gig that I posted. I will teach you professional video editing step by step from beginners to advanced. You understand? The basic here. I built all these too. I wrote all these things. The standard, the premium. It took a lot of time to build this particular thing. Now, I'm sure you are still asking, did I even get any bookings? Bro, I did not get any bookings. Till now, it's been more than a week. It's been more than a week. And I used trying to say that maybe it's a week, so I should take some time. Well, on Preply is so saturated. But on Preply, I posted my profile and within few days, I got the bookings. You understand? And I even introduced Preply to one of my friends. He started and he has made monies. You understand? So on Fiverr, nobody is seeing anything. Look at, for the last 7 days, 172 impressions, 1 click. Is Fiverr that difficult to even get just a booking? And I'm not sure if there's something wrong with my profile. Let me know in the comment section. But I don't think there's something wrong with the profile. But I have been waiting to get messages from people. And I do get messages all right. But the messages I'm getting, they are very suspicious. Because I'm the type, I don't really click on links. You understand? Like for me to click on link, it's very difficult. So they send you message and be like, we booked you already, so check out the project on this particular link. Me, I will not click it. You understand? If you book me, I come to orders like here. I'm supposed to see your order here, but no orders yet. So guys, even though I didn't get any clients during my first 7 days, but I'm not giving up. This was only 1 week. All right, I think it's been 2 weeks. So the real question is, what happens if I keep going? Will I get my first client? Will I finally make my first dollar on Fiverr? In case I make monies on Fiverr, I will not hesitate to bring you the update. So subscribe so that you don't miss that video in future. Now, if you'd like to see the part 2 where I continue this Fiverr challenge and share my progress, let me know in the comment section. And if you've had success on Fiverr too, let me know why. Show us the way. I'd love to hear your advice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. And then let me know what you think in the comment section. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.
Criss Mettle!